nothing better. I keep him forever, like a vendetta. I see how this is gonna go. Touch me and you'll never be alone. Island breeze and lights down low. No one has to know. In the middle of the night, in my dreams, you should see the things we do, baby. In the middle of the night, in my dreams, I know I'm gonna be with you, so take my time. In the middle of the night, let the games begin, let the games begin, let the games begin. Are you ready for it? Baby, let the games begin, let the games begin, let the games begin. Are you ready for it?
Ngayon pa lang, promise that you will love one another forever. But that also means promise that you will forgive each other forever.
Today is the day that we have been waiting and praying for. In front of our loved ones, we'll be one with God and do His will, that is marriage. To the man who pursued me 8 years ago and never failed to make an effort every day, thank you for marrying me today. It has always been my dream to walk down the aisle with you. Our relationship has never been easy. For 8 years, you have fought so hard just to save our relationship.
At kung magagawa ninyo yung dalawang bagay na yan, I assure you, papatunayan ninyo sa lahat ng mga tao dito, yes, meron pa rin forever.
Finally, dumating na tayo sa araw na pangarap lang natin noon. From being classmate to soulmate. Ngayon ay panghabang buhay na. Thank you, love. Hinayaan mo ako maging parte ng mundo mo. Minahal at tinanggap mo ako bilang ako. Thank you dahil lagi kang nandyan para sa akin, lalo na sa pinakamabigat na araw ng buhay ko. Ikaw yung naging lakas ko noong mga time na mahina ako. Ikaw yung naging comfort ko noong mga time na down ako.
Swerte ko nga sa iyo, ako pang napili mo.
Thank you, love. You made me the best version of myself. At ngayong araw, pangako ko na mamahalin kita palagi.
Ako'y sa iyo, di naman natin alam ang takbo. Sana'y hindi magbago ang ikot ng mundo. Kapit ka lang,
Pupunta tayo sa next chapter ng buhay natin. Siguro lagi lang ako nandito sa tabi mo. Lagi lang ako nasa likod mo, susuportahan kita sa lahat ng bagay na gusto mong gawin. At magtutulungan lang tayo. Tapos lagi mo akong kakampi.
oh, ang swerte ko nga sa iyo, ako at
Ngayong
ako.
magkakapamilya na siya, di ba, kailangan unang-una, isipin niya na maging responsable siya sa kanila. Di ba? Yes.
I love you, ma.
I love you too, anak.
Nang mag-isa at dahil sa'yo.
Hi, love. Memories are best kept in photos and videos. That's why I'm giving you this gift. Restore our memories as husband and wife. I love you so much. See you later. Tapos ko na. Wow! Laruan!
Ikot ng mundo, kapit ka lang sa akin hanggang.
So, babe, ito na yun. This is the day we have been waiting and praying for.
Huwag ka mag-alala, darating ako. Hindi kita i-indyanin, tayin mo ko dyan.
Manang buwan.
From this day forward, as I leave everything behind, especially my only parents, na nakasama ko for 27 years as their only kaiha. You know, this ever since that my parents are my most favorite person in the world. I adore them and I love them so much. But I know they will both understand that starting today, I will have my own family and leave our home to start a new life with you.
Di naman natin alam ang takbo. Sana'y hindi magbabago. Kumapit ka lang sa akin hanggang sa huli.